Okay everyone, as promised, when I did the Unreal Engine 5 speed build video, I was going to take the same model and finish it out using Vantage, and this was the result of that. You can check out that video, the Unreal Engine one, in the links and compare the results. For this particular project, I really liked Unreal Engine because of the Megascans and how free they are, and also how easy they are to place in real time in Unreal Engine. That was a huge boost to this particular project because it's highly dependent on environment and nature, right? It's just kind of a cabin sitting in a giant natural setting. So I would say Vantage did a great job of rendering everything. The animation looks super clean and nice. However, I wish I had that huge, vast library of natural assets that Megascans provides for free in Unreal Engine. So I'm going to do a full breakdown of the differences, what I like about each different process. That's coming up in a future video, so make sure to subscribe to check that out and see what the pros and cons of both of these methods are. But this was my Vantage result. I could spend a lot more time adding a lot more detail, a lot more nature to this, but so many things to do, so many more videos to make. So this is a quick look at what you can do with Vantage and the Cosmos assets, and I even use some Megascans assets, but it's not quite as easy as it is in Unreal Engine. Anyway, I'll save all that for the full breakdown coming up at a later date. Subscribe, like this video if you appreciate what I'm doing, and I'll see you soon.